In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to be able to update a pitch deck that you've already shared using Orange Docs. First thing you want to do is sign into your Orange Docs account. Next, select the shared files and locate the pitch deck that you've already shared. If you haven't already shared your pitch deck yet, go ahead and watch our videos on how to securely share a pitch deck or share one for track only. Selecting the pitch deck, we can go to the source files for the deck. And this is going to show us which exact file on our Google Drive is synced with this particular pitch deck. Selecting that, we'll be able to go ahead and open that, and then finally open it for editing on Google Drive. Now, any changes we make to the source Google Drive, in this case it's a Google Sheet or a slide, will be automatically synced with Orange Docs. No need to make any changes there. So say for instance we need to put some spelling changes here, or maybe we want to change this title, say solving and more. Once that is saved on Google Drive, we can go back to Orange Docs. Select the recipients and hit Preview Shared Files. This is going to go and open up now the pitch deck. As you see in the background, what we're actually doing is reprocessing the new version of our pitch deck. And we see here, we have the updated version of it already. Now, there was no need to select the new version to go ahead and re-upload anything. We automatically pull those changes dynamically from your Google Drive. But what happens for the users? Well, anybody viewing that, so your other investors who are viewing that pitch deck, will automatically have those changes applied now. No need to resend access again. No need to resend a new file to them. If you'd like to go ahead and message them to let them know there has been changes, maybe you've updated your team, added a new slide, maybe corrected some issues that they're asking for. They want to have more information on certain parts of your company. You can either individually email them, or you can use this feature to automatically send them a notification email from Orange Docs saying, updated pitch deck with new team members. And this will go ahead and send them that email. So they can go back and understand that your pitch deck has been changed, and they can simply just reopen the link again and get the changed version. And that is how you update a shared pitch deck using Orange Docs.